How to use different buttons found inside the reservation card. Under the Details button, all detailed information about this specific reservation can be found. In the first part, there are general information about this record. Then, queue time will be displayed if the current reservation was on queue before check-in. The actual check-in and check-out date and time are displayed in this segment. If the information about the payment is entered, this reservation record might be listed in the corresponding tabs under the reservation list. If this reservation belongs to a certain company, for example, if this was a group reservation made by one of our partner agencies or specific company, we can enter its name here. Invoice information will be automatically displayed. In this company screen, only those records for the company are displayed, not those for the travel agencies and individuals. The creation date, as well as the name of the user who created the reservation, are automatically displayed here. These data cannot be changed. If we tick the box next to the Auto Post Daily Prices at Night Audit, hotels' daily room prices will be automatically processed in the guest folio after night audit. If the reservation is the confirmed one, then this button will be automatically activated. For this, you first have to confirm it from Reservation Confirmation List, which is found under the Reservation menu. Cleaning periods and days are defined specifically in the properties where guests usually stay for several days or even weeks. Here, the related information can be entered. Right part of this window is completely reserved for the information about online channels, such as Booking.com, Expedia, and others, from where the reservation came. With the Show Basket button, we may access the details about the related reservation basket, while we can also reach the XML log details. Commission rates and currencies in the amount or percentage forms are also displayed here. By clicking on this field, we will be able to see the notes related to this reservation. Number in the parentheses shows how many of the notes exist in the reservation. More details on this topic you may find from How to Use Notes video. If there is any task requested from the guest, it will be displayed under the Task button and window. With the Add button, New Task Record can be opened. In this field, we see the packages that are applied to this reservation. With the Add button, we may create the new package or choose from the existing ones. For more detailed use of this button, you may watch the video related to package definitions. Folio Routing button is used to reach the existing or create the new folio routing rules. From Folio Routing window, you may find more information about this. Credit Card button is used for saving and displaying the credit card information for the related reservation. Credit card information for the reservations coming from online channels such as Booking.com, Expedia, and others are registered in this segment. With Plus button, new credit card record can be entered. Credit card information are encrypted, and in order to see the details, first we have to create a password. For this, you should get in contact with the ElektraWeb team, and password will be shared with the authorized and responsible person in the hotel property. Only users with 2FA or Google Authenticator can see this password. How to set up 2FA video you may see in videos related to users' definitions. By entering the password, credit card details will be displayed.